This is just another way to make charcoal in my smokeless pit. All I did was take an old popcorn tin and put it in my smokeless burner. It concentrates the heat really well, and as my kids are helping me with all of our burnables, we don't have a good recycling program out here, so the paper products get burnt. Don't know if you can hear it. You can hear the syngas burning off. That's charcoal being made. Well, this is just one of those cases. Again, I don't like to waste anything. If you're already going to be burning leaves or burning trash or paper, whatever you're burning, confidential information, why put the heat to waste? Why not make some charcoal out of it? Already barbecuing season. It's just a simple popcorn tin. Little holes drilled at the bottom to release the gas when it's burning, which is even better because then it's heating the base while it's burning. A few screws on the edge to keep the top from popping off. Turns that into this beautiful stuff.